will discuss about the image acquisition technique. Thank you. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the image vision and image acquisition, machine vision and image acquisition. So let us now take into a crucial aspect of image acquisition in the context of machine learning. So image acquisition is the initial step in the pipeline where we capture visual data to feed into the machine learning models. So image acquisition involves capturing, processing, analyzing and understanding digital images. So first goal is to extract high dimensional data from the real world, producing numerical or symbolical information that can be used by the machine. So what is the process? Incoming light. First step is incoming light. In light waves from the object are captured, and how it's converted is the photosensitive sensor convert these lights into the electrical signals. These sensors provide accurate description of the object for the machine learning algorithms. So next one is digital images. So what we do with this digital images, a digital image is a representation of a visual data captured from the physical world. It consists of a grid of pixels where each pixel corresponds to the specific location of the image. The process of creating a digital image involves in converting continuous sensed data, that is analog data, for example such as light intensity, into a digital format suitable for processing by the computers. So here the digital image is nothing but the visual data. Now we are going to convert this continuous light into digital format. So what is the sampling here is? Sampling is a process of collecting data from an analog source like a photograph or a video at various intervals. So what is the main purpose of this sampling is we create a new image that is referred to as a sample, which represents the original continuous image. So here you can see we have types of sampling. First is ideal sampling. So at equal intervals of time we will be taking into an samples. Next one is natural sampling. As we know, we have quite specified intervals, and flat top sampling, you can see the difference between these three, right? So in next slide we will discuss about the levels of computation. So now we have acquired image, we have converted this image into digital image. Now with the digital image we have sampled and converted into the sampled data. Now what are these computation levels are? Different levels of computation in the context of computer vision. These levels represents varying complexity and depth of processing involved in analyzing visual data. So computer vision, a field of artificial intelligence, equips machines with a remarkable ability to interpret visual data, unlike human vision, which relies on the biological process. So here everything is nothing but in visual data, and with the help of the algorithm we convert this visual data into a required information. And computer vision leverages algorithms and computational models to process these images and videos, and these levels build upon each other with a low level operations forming the foundation of higher level reasoning. So we have here certain thing you can see from remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. So top level is our creating. So first one is remembering. As we have seen this somewhere, right? We have these as a Bloom's taxonomy in our curriculum, right? So same exactly, it's applied as a computational levels in our machine vision. So first of all is remembering. So let us have a glance of it. Recalling the relevant knowledge from a long-term memory. What is it? Understanding, making sense of material you have learned, and applying, using knowledge gained in new ways, and analyzing, breaking the concept into parts and understand how each part is relevant to one another, and evaluating, making judgments based on the set of guidelines, and creating is nothing but putting the information together in an innovative way. So how these Bloom's taxonomy we have in a curriculum, how this is related is Before getting into a machine vision, we have to get ready of what knowledge we have gained. So that is in remembering, and we have to understand that theoreticals, and we have to make sense according to our application. And after having that um, correct sense, we are going to apply on it. And after applying, we are going to break into parts, and we're going to have an analyzing of it and evaluating, making judgments based on our guidelines and whether it is applied or not. And next one is putting all this information together along the feedback and giving into an innovative way. In next section we will discuss in detail. Thank you.